10 steps to start your own business from scratch. In this video, we'll walk you through the 10 essential steps to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur with a brilliant idea or someone ready to take the leap into business ownership, these steps will provide you with a clear roadmap to success. From idea generation and market research to business planning, legal considerations, financing, branding, operations setup, hiring, launching, and ongoing monitoring, we'll cover everything you need to know to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So grab a notebook and pen, and let's dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Number 10, monitoring and adaptation. At number 10, we have monitoring and adaptation, a critical step in the entrepreneurial journey. Monitoring involves continuously tracking your business performance, analyzing key metrics, and gathering feedback from customers and stakeholders. By staying vigilant and responsive to changes in the market, you can adapt your strategies, products, and services to meet evolving customer needs and stay ahead of the competition. Number 9, launching your business. At number 9, we have launching your business, a pivotal moment in your entrepreneurial journey. This step involves preparing for your grand opening or launch event by promoting your business and generating excitement among your target audience. Execute your carefully crafted marketing plan, ensuring all elements are in place to deliver a memorable customer experience. By creating a buzz around your launch and delivering on your promises, you can establish a strong initial presence in the market and attract eager customers to your doorstep. Number 8, hiring employees. At number 8, we have hiring employees, a crucial step in scaling your business and building a strong team. Determine your staffing needs based on your business requirements and growth projections. Recruit talented individuals who align with your company culture and possess the skills and expertise needed to drive success. Provide comprehensive training and support to empower your employees and foster a positive work environment. Number 7, setting up operations. At number 7, we have setting up operations, a foundational step in bringing your business to life. Establish your business location, whether it's a physical storefront, home office, or online platform. Invest in essential equipment, technology, and resources to support your operations efficiently. Develop standardized processes and workflows to streamline tasks and ensure consistency in your operations. Number 6, branding and marketing. At number 6, we have branding and marketing, essential components of building a strong presence in the marketplace. Develop your brand identity, including your logo, website, and messaging, to create a memorable and cohesive image for your business. Craft a comprehensive marketing strategy that leverages various channels such as social media, email marketing, and advertising to reach your target audience effectively. By establishing a strong brand and implementing strategic marketing initiatives, you can increase brand awareness, attract customers, and differentiate your business from competitors in the competitive landscape. Number 5, financing. At number 5, we have financing, a critical step in turning your business idea into a reality. Determine how you'll finance your venture, whether through personal savings, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Create a detailed budget and financial plan to manage expenses and cash flow effectively, ensuring that you have the necessary funds to support your business operations and growth initiatives. By securing the right financing options, you can lay a solid financial foundation for your business and set yourself up for success in the long run. Number 4, legal structure. At number 4, we have legal structure, a fundamental aspect of establishing your business. Choose the appropriate legal structure for your venture, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or limited liability company, LLC. Register your business name and obtain any required licenses or permits to operate legally in your jurisdiction. Number 3, business planning. At number 3, we have business planning, the crucial step in setting the direction for your venture. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Your business plan serves as a roadmap guiding your decisions and attracting potential investors or lenders. By carefully crafting a detailed plan, you can clarify your vision, identify potential challenges, and chart a course for success in the competitive business landscape. Number 2, market research. At number 2, we have market research, a vital step in understanding your target audience and competitive landscape. Conduct thorough research to identify customer preferences, behaviors, and pain points within your target market. Analyze industry trends and assess the competitive landscape to identify opportunities and potential challenges. By gathering valuable insights through market research, you can make informed decisions and develop strategies that resonate with your target audience, setting the stage for success in your business venture. Number 1, idea generation. At number 1, we have idea generation, the starting point of your entrepreneurial journey. Begin by brainstorming potential business ideas based on your passions, skills, and market needs. Explore innovative solutions to existing problems or identify untapped opportunities in the marketplace. By generating creative ideas and conducting preliminary research, you can lay the foundation for a successful business venture that aligns with your interests and addresses customer needs. As we conclude our journey through the 10 essential steps to start your own business from scratch, we hope you feel inspired and empowered to embark on your entrepreneurial adventure. By following these steps, you can turn your business idea into a reality and set yourself up for success in the competitive business landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and business development. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and be sure to share it with your friends and colleagues who may benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success as a future business owner.